Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I'm happy to announce that the official Into the Parkerverse Discord server is now live. A place for us all to meet up, chat, share tips, tricks, and show off our home screen setups with the rest of the community. So before you jump into the server, let me show you around. So, you can actually access the community server right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just simply tap on any of the Discord icons and it will take you right there. Or alternatively, use the link in the description below. Now here it is, our community Discord server. For those of you unfamiliar with Discord channels, think of these as chat rooms, each one designated for different topics, and each one categorized into various groups. With at the top, you'll find anything to do with general server announcements, followed by a section for YouTube where you can get notified for the latest video releases, submit your video ideas, and even make requests for live wallpapers. Next up, the community zone. Here is where you can chat away with the rest of the community, share memes, show off your home screen setups, and even ask others for technical help. But for those of you who'd rather use voice chat, the Let's Talk section is for you, so feel free to use the general channel or even create your own. And because I'm always working to improve the app, I've made sure to include a section where you can leave your app suggestions and feedback. And finally, if you want to check your server ranking, you can do so here within extras. I really hope that you guys enjoy this new way of interacting with the rest of the Parkerverse community. So see you next time on Into the Parkerverse.